Did you know that a thinner phone can actually be easier to fix? The iPhone Air is proof that slenderness doesn't have to mean sacrilege for repairers. iFixit, a go-to resource for DIY fixes, rated the iPhone Air a respectable 7 out of 10 for repairability. https www.ifixit.com/news41171 iPhone Air Teardown. This score highlights how Apple has cleverly balanced sleek design with practicality, making the Air a standout in the world of mobile tech. But here's where it gets controversial. Can a phone so thin still be repaired easily? iFixit explains that Apple's design choices, like the absence of stacked components in the Air's build, make repairs more approachable. While the device has its limits, it demonstrates that good engineering can turn even the most compact phones into long-lasting tools. Let's break it down. The iPhone Air's battery life might not match the stamina of its bulkier cousins, but it's still better than expected. What sets it apart is its simple design. The battery is the only major component, allowing for straightforward replacement. Thanks to Apple's dual-entry design, users can access the battery through the back glass, eliminating the need to pry open the device. This feature makes the Air's battery one of the easiest to swap, even compared to other slim models. Here's another angle: the iPhone Air's USB-C port. Over time, dust and lint can clog it, causing charging issues. iFixit calls the port decently modular, meaning it can be replaced if needed, even though the process requires some effort. However, Apple doesn't offer official repairs or parts for this port, leaving users to seek alternatives from third-party suppliers. And this is the part most people miss: Apple's decision to prioritize aesthetics over accessibility. While the iPhone Air's design is stunning, it also raises questions about the company's commitment to repairability. Should manufacturers like Apple offer more in-house repair options, or is it better to let users handle fixes themselves? Read more. The iPhone Air reminds me that I'm just not a skinny phone girl. www.cnet.com/mobile/the iPhone Air reminds me that I'm just not a skinny phone girl. In the end, the iPhone Air proves that thinness and durability can coexist. But as we've seen, the path to repairability isn't always clear-cut. What do you think? Are companies like Apple doing enough to make their devices easy to fix? Or should consumers push for more transparency in design choices? Share your thoughts in the comments below.